Well, it's been a long time since I did a recording on YouTube for any computer stuff, but here we go. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a a context menu on when you right-click. Usually, when you right-click, you pretty much find shortcut things to do. If you have a text file, or say, for example, I create a new text file called new text, and you right click on it, it gives you an open with. Let me move this over so you see it better. Open with. And basically what I'm going to do here is show you how to manually put in your own code for opening up files and so forth. Let me put that back because I'm going to need that. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to go into the registry, and the way you get to the registry is you want to click on your start run. I don't know what operating system you have, but start run and then type regedit. Let me bring this over so you can see what I'm talking about. And I have Windows 7 here. So you go regedit, and with Windows 7 it'll say you want permission. And move this back over here. And so basically what you want to do is you want to go into your registry and let's make this fit here really quick. Alright, and you want to look for a hive called computer HKey classes root, and then with an asterisk. So that's exactly where we are. So we're in HKey classes root. There's the asterisk. Drop that down, and then you look for shell. And then when you get to shell, you want to click on that hive, and you want to right click, and you want to create a new key. And let's call that key open with notepad. Okay, and what's going to happen is this is what's going to show up when you right click on a file, the word open with notepad. So you can put anything you want there. Alright, and let's right click on that again and say new key, and let's type the word command. Okay, and so you have, let's go back. So you have HKey classes root, and then you got your asterisk here, and then we just created under shell open with notepad and then command. Now that we have that, let's move this to the side. You see this over here, this key, registry key called default. You want to double click on that, and let's type notepad.exe, and then we want to put %1, old DOS commands. So what that would do is that will put this registry size key in here under data to be notepad.exe %1. And so if I'm going to minimize this, if I right click now, open with notepad is right here. Now if you don't believe me that this wasn't there before, let's go back to our registry, open it back up, move this to the side, and let's change the name, rename, and say open notepad. Drop it down again, let's right click, open notepad. And so when I do that, notepad opens up. Okay? And that's it for this tutorial.